Dun, 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 dun. What up? Happy Friday, Public Safety family. I am Jason Karp, Esquire from the Public Safety Network here, giving a nod to public safety. That is the news of the day. Let's get right to it. RapidSOS, SiriusXM Radio. What do they have in common? They are now partnering for automatic crash notification data being sent to 911. That's right. Using SiriusXM's ACN technology to collect crash data related to incidents on the roadway. They'll be leveraging the RapidSOS platform so that data is sent automatically to 911 so we can have quicker and immediate dispatch with clearer situational awareness. This is awesome. The information includes things like location of the incident, airbag status, crash data, number of passengers and their seating locations, identity of the individuals involved, and of course, location of the incident. This is phenomenal. This is what technology should be used for. This warms my heart. SiriusXM, RapidSOS, you guys are rocking it. This is exactly what we should be doing, and it's going to make everybody safer. So keep it up. That's fantastic. What else we got going in technology? Several cities are reporting using controversial facial recognition software. We know there's been controversy about this, but to help track down and arrest various individuals associated with the recent Black Lives Matter protests. And in fact, in one case, Miami used a Clearview artificial intelligence program to track down a woman who allegedly threw a rock at an officer. Apparently, there have been multiple arrests, and they expect more to come. So this is great. I'm a big fan of technology, as you know, as long as it meets a couple of principles. One is we're not violating people's rights and their privacy rights, and two, that we're eliminating all bias, period, plain and simple, and that's just the way it's got to be. So this is exciting that the use of the technology, we need to make sure that we're doing it in a responsible manner. What else is going on? Body cam footage. So the president of the Toronto Raptors, Masai Ujiri, was apparently going down to join his team after they won the NBA championship last year when he got stopped by Deputy Alan Strickland to check his credentials. Well, one thing led to another. Apparently, fisticuffs ensued. It resulted in the deputy actually filing suit against President Ujiri, claiming that he had thrown the first punch against the officer. Well, the lawyer for Ujiri has now released body cam footage that seems to contradict that statement and shows that the officer actually initiated the aggressive contact. Craziness. We'll have to see how this plays out. But according to Alameda Sheriff's Department, they are sticking by the deputy's story. Time will tell how this all kind of boils out. But at the end of the day, this is why we need technology. This is why we need everybody wearing body cams. It protects everyone, citizens. It protects the potential perpetrators, and it protects public safety. And we got to root out misconduct across all of that. And body cameras is one way that we can do that. So glad that there was body camera footage, and we'll see what happens, going forward. Netflix, the Tiger King, the zoo, closed down. Federal officials closed it down for federal violations. As we know, Joe Exotic is serving 22 years for his conspiracy to murder Ms. Carol Baskin. So he's rotting away in jail. And Jeff Lowe, who is currently running the zoo, apparently is blaming the whole thing on PETA, because that's what these folks who are exploiting animals like to do. They like to blame PETA for the closure. And now he's just going to use the zoo as a movie set. Go figure. You can't make this stuff up. And finally, some really, really good news right out of here, right out of Richmond, Virginia. The Richmond Ambulance Authority, EMT April O'Quinn, was nominated by her niece in the Heroes with a Heart contest put on by the American Girl Doll Company. And guess what? Yes, she won one of the 5 grand prizes and has had an American doll made in her likeness to celebrate first responders. This is fantastic. Thank you to American Girl Doll for doing this. What do y'all think? Not a bad likeness. I think it's actually pretty good. And as anybody who's had kids know that these dolls, they cost a pretty penny. Well, I got an idea. Why don't we charge a little bit more than usual, take that additional and invest it back in public safety causes? I like that idea. American Girl Doll Store. American Girl Doll Store. You heard it here first. Let's get on the bandwagon. Let's share some of this wonderful currency back with public safety who are putting their lives on the line every day. Anyway, congratulations to EMT O'Quinn. That is an exciting honor. Thank you for everything that you do every day. With that said, that's today's news. Everybody stay safe. Have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you next week. I am out of here. Peace.